Here I'm off with another comparison of these two clamps here. I found this one on my balcony before. I had it in a drawer. This one says 2, I don't know what that is for. This one says 50 millimeters. See? And this clamp, I brought it around May 2019. This one I bought it around 2016. So we're just gonna put the camera here, half of it resting on the table, and half of it pointing towards the floor. Okay, here's a clamp, and it has this little thing here. This is to tighten it up. It can move so that the surface that there's a wall or a piece of wood here, then this thing can move over here. That's what this thing is for. It's not attached. See? It's like my vise. This one here, though, the 2-inch, or I don't know what it's 2 inches, and this one is a bit too tight. See, it won't slide good. You have to force it so I can slide good. And if you look in here, this part is fatter. They grind it here, and they inserted it, and they put a nail someone to lock it in, but you can't see it because they grind it down when they made this clamp. This one's probably from the 1990s or 2000s. See, comparison. The two clamps here. Here's a quick comparison. This one's already peeled off because this clamp was used when I bought it. And here it is, the side. See, this one slides good. This one quite rough. This one's a bit thicker than this one here. And I have these clamps in this drawer here. I used to store all the tools in here until I needed to. See, this is the drawer until I started making my elevators, and I brought them to my closet. Very convenient to have a separate drawer. Here are the clamps. Take a look at them one more time. Turn this one out. Yeah, this one is 50 millimeters. This one's, I don't know what this one is. 2 meters. No, actually, no, not 2 meters. Actually, it's, I don't know what this is. Well, that's gonna be it for this comparison. It's Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Tomorrow we'll probably go to Target and record more of the construction love 405 freeway. That will be it.